Today we are going to learn about your geography chapter number 7, humidity and rainfall. Students, we are going to learn about what is humidity, types of humidity, relative humidity and absolute humidity, what are the forms of condensation, various types of rainfall.
The weather occurs in the lower part of the atmosphere, which contains moisture as well, mostly in the form of water vapor and an invisible gas. The surface water from water bodies like lakes, oceans evaporate to form moisture in the form of water vapor. This process is known as evaporation. Condensation takes place in different ways. When the water vapor cools down and condenses in form of liquid, water or snow, this process is called condensation. Precipitation is the process where water vapor condenses in the air and returns to the earth in form of rain, dew or snow. Rainfall is the most common form of precipitation and occurs in three different ways. Absolute humidity. Absolute humidity means the actual amount of water vapor in a given volume of air at a given temperature. It is expressed in number of grams of water per cubic meter. For example, if the air at a particular place has only half the amount of water that can normally be retained at that temperature, we will say that the relative humidity is 50% only. The air is full of water as water vapor even if you can't see it. Condensation is the process of water vapor turning back into liquid water, with the best example being those big fluffy clouds floating over your head. When moist air comes in contact with cold ground surface early in the morning or during cold winter nights, dew is formed. They have been seen as water droplets on leaves or grass early in the morning. Hail is a large frozen raindrop or pellets of frozen rain that fall in showers from the clouds. As the snowflakes fall, liquid water freezes onto them, forming ice pellets. When dew occurs in the form of ice crystals, it is known as frost. Fog or mists are also there, which formed when moist air comes into contact with closed surface of the air and condensation takes place around dust particles. It is the most important form of precipitation, that is the rainfall, when the condensed water vapor in the clouds fall to the surface of the earth. When we talk about the types of rainfall, there are three types of rainfall. Let's first discuss about the relief rainfall or orographic rainfall. Moisture-laden winds from the sea are forced to rise when they meet an obstruction in the form of a hill or a mountain. When these winds rise above, they cool down and drop their moisture in the windward side of the mountain. The leeward side of the hill receives very little rainfall, which is known as the rain shadow desert. So students, this is relief or the orographic rainfall. Similarly, convection rainfall is also known as the 4 o'clock rainfall basically in equatorial region, and cyclonic rainfall occurs in the tropical and temperate zone.
By the end of this video, I hope you understood all the terms and terminologies related to the chapter and the basic concept of the chapter. Thank you for watching me.